ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
Adab, dear listeners. Welcome to our segment called Chronicles of the Past, where we talk about significant historical events that took place on the same day in history. Today is 10th of August, and today's facts are as follows. On August 10th, 1973, the iconic Louvre Museum in Paris opened to the public. It has since become the most visited and celebrated art museum in the world. In 2003, India officially repealed the controversial Prevention of Terrorism Act on this day, citing concerns over its misuse. August 10th is also celebrated annually as World Lion Day. In India, efforts are focused on protecting the Asiatic lions of the Gir forest. That's all in today's segment of Chronicles of the Past. We will meet you again tomorrow. Till then, stay curious and keep listening to Radio Manu. I am your host, RJ Himanjali, signing off.
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past.